Hi guys, how exciting, eh? What we all been waiting for so long, guys. Sorry for my appearance. See, I've been painting the house, making it really bright, making it into a really heaven, really, how I like it. I've transformed the place. I've been really busy clients after clients and then painting in between and then the gate and then that didn't matter. All I was doing is talking to the source saying, what's happening, what's happening, what's happening, tell me something, what's happening. They said, quiet, Amor, please, just leave me alone. Fuck off, piss off. Amor, unless you keep quiet, I mute you. So I had to stop. I had to stop. The source is to die for, guys. He's got such a great sense of humor. I can't wait for you to meet her. But most of you guys, you feel her. Some of you are in telepathic communication with her. And if not, that's what here and my team are for, guys, to pass you the news. Yeah. So yeah, Paradise, guys, it's around the corner. But how long? It could be immediate. It could take long. It depends on the human race, and that's what the source was telling me stop, because she's looking down on the whole Earth plane, yeah, and the other galaxies. But the other galaxies, most of the people are safe. Very, very few, hardly any, are perishing. It's just the Earth, because it's where the ego is, the center of the ego of the galaxy, and it's how it is. If you don't believe it, just feel it, because this is the only place we tell the truth, guys. Is the gate is what the source has chosen to speak the truth. So, and only what you have to do is look into my eyes and see what we do at the gate to understand that what we are saying is true. I'm not the only one running the gate. I'm just the one who speaks on behalf of my other team. We are all coaches. We are all experts in recording the metrics code, and every single post, every single video, the books that we've written, the sessions that we do is to do that, guys. Neutralize the code and really, really fast, so you're awakened and you find you are in paradise, even though you are within a matrix, and are able to help others. Should you wish to, because before the source, when somebody awakened, put it in paradise, she was doing everything. But now it's different. We are at the end, so we are all called upon helping. Yeah. So, guys, paradise can go three ways. So, but it depends on the choices. So that's what the source tell me. Wait, she's just looking down and seeing the choices from conscious and unconscious level that they make. The source have been giving many warnings. You can see some at the gate, but from the unconscious, she's been speaking to everybody who's asleep telepathically. So whatever choices they make right now is the choices that they choose. There is no matrix confusing them. The matrix has been dismantled. Yeah, there is still the matrix of Mr. Lucille, short for Lucifer, the devil, the Muppet, Twat, Moron is my favorite. Moronistic Twat, my favorite way of calling him, yeah. And it's very, very powerful, and that's what we've been battling the most. And the little troop of reptilians and followers that also our brothers and sisters, that they are with him. There is only one follower who actually changed. This follower became one of my clients in order to make it easy for the follower. It is the memory of the follower, and she knows, but she's a great asset, guys. She's the one who stood by me the most, and is the one who I've trusted the most. I knew that she would never turn her back on me, because many of my clients have turned their back on me because the matrix got them, yeah. But as I said, matrix dismantle, and the wife of Lucifer, yeah, Luciferian, I suppose. She is being cast out, and this is where we are, yeah. So it's the first really death in paradise, and obviously the devil and company is. There's no repentance on those. We are the evil ones because we should be slaves, and we should worship them. Yeah. So the three ways that it can go, guys. The first way is that the source is going to create an awakening, because she already knows who is. The choices have been made. Yeah, they're not hesitating, and basically, it's no point waiting. It's no point doing anything else. She knows who's going to enter or not, because the choices have been made. Yeah. So in one instant, the ones who chosen the choice, the one who's got the higher wisdom, the one who's are the purest of heart, they'll go back to paradise. Yeah, right. The second way that it can go is that because we are still neutralizing the devil, and so it will be after we neutralize the devil and the troop of morons. We are so close. It's one move, another move, one move, another move at the moment. The source, the devil, the source, the devil. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah. And obviously, I mean, who do you think is gonna win? Yeah. I don't even think we need time to think about. Of course, it's the source, but the devil thinks him. Yeah. Twat. No, monistic twat. Sorry. So, when the devil is neutralized, yeah, maybe it's easier because they don't have that darkness around them anymore for them to see that there is a source and reach for the source. So we're going to have to give some time, and they will be directed to the gate for us. They will get our clients for us to recode, because it's so strong that only us will be able to neutralize that. So that's another way that it can go. So we'll have to wait till the last one of them obviously is being recorded, and we can. That's it, and then global awakening. It's going to be a global awakening. Yeah. Oh, the third way. They are not choosing the source, but they're not choosing. They don't know what to do. Yeah, they're more inclined towards the devil, but there is part of them that is so good on them. So, okay, let's make them get it till they get it. It's going to be like Armageddon, guys. But not for the goosebumps will protect it completely. You won't feel it. They will be feeling in your flat. There will be a parallel reality. We'll be fine. Yeah, we'll be helping them, the ones, yeah, that they reach for help. So they're going to get it till they get it. So we're going to have to wait till the last one, yeah, and then a global awakening. So that's the three ways. We don't know yet. Yeah, we need to wait till the devil and the troopy of moronistic twats. Lucy. With the whole, I had taken the piece, such an idiot, guys. When you watch the movie of the things that he's done, you are just gonna crack up laughing of how stupid those Muppets are. Ego at its best. Yeah, I can't wait to watch the movie of what happened, guys, with you, because I've lived that movie. So I shall